Hello you guys, welcome back to the dollhouse. So today we are going to be doing bottom eyelashes. So I'm gonna randomly show you guys a few things that I'm going to use to do this look. So we're going to be using this. These have the first two lines are the short lashes. The next three lines are medium sized lashes. It already has a pair of tweezers in there, eyelash glue, and it also has like a little thing where you can like squeeze some of the glue in. So basically this little kit has everything that you need. Now, if you can't find this, of course, you know you can use these lashes. Now, I got these lashes. Oh my God, they look such of a mess. But I got these lashes at the, yeah, I got those lashes at the beauty supply store. You can use this glue right here also. If you're just buying everything separate and you don't get the little kit, you can use this glue. Now this glue is not hair glue. The name of this glue is eyelash glue. The words have rubbed off, but I'll put a picture where you can see the exact glue, what it is, but it's so old. But I will put a picture of this glue. And you'll need a pair of tweezers if you don't have the kit. But if you get the kit, everything you need is already in the kit. So we're going to attempt to do our bottom lashes. You're going to need some mascara, whichever mascara, you know, your choice, some mascara, and you're also going to need a black liner, you know, whichever one you prefer. But those are the things you would need. So I'm not a makeup artist at all. I'm just going to show you guys on how I do my bottom lashes. This is how the glue look in the that came out of the pack. This is how it looks. I don't know why my camera's acting up, but it look like this. I had a little squeeze top. Oh, that's neat. So we're gonna, y'all. Why I get on here, I get to dropping stuff. But anyway, we're gonna attempt, so we're gonna put it in this little slot right here. We're gonna squeeze the glue. So I just squeezed the glue in the little slot. Put the top back on it. Like I told y'all, I'm not a makeup artist. Your girl not a makeup artist. I just like to look pretty. So I like to look cute on a budget. So now we're gonna attempt to pull the lashes off. I don't know where my other tweezers at. So I finally got the lash out. So we're gonna take the lash, of course, we're gonna put the lash on going downward to the eye. That's how the lash is going to be placed. These are the new, I was looking for my old tweezers. I must have dropped them. You know how you get something, you use something and you used to that one. So these new, so we got the, so I just put a little glue on it. We're gonna put them, we're gonna start from the middle. That's it right there. And like I was telling you guys, you know, if you want the big glam look, you would have to go to the next size, which would be medium. And if medium is not long enough, then you would have to just buy some from, you know, the hair store. Just get them in long. Or basically just get a regular pair of lashes and just cut the strip lashes. But this is small. I mean, I'm so sorry. This is short. Okay, and another thing I want to tell you guys, of course, you don't want to go so far over either on this side towards your eye, and you don't want to go so far out either. So this is the short. It looks kind of short, but you know, I kind of want it natural. I should have put a medium in to see how a medium would look, but I think I like the short ones. So we're going to get another lash. Basically, just take all y'all lashes out of the pack already, and it'll be less time consuming. Just already have them out. Don't, because I'm basically doing it as we go. I'm gonna have to find my other tweezers. So we dipping it in the glue, and we're gonna go over. It's kind of time consuming for me because I don't do it. I don't wear them a lot. So it's basically like we putting them on, we learning together. I may have put them on maybe one time before, and it took me a little minute. But like I said, just already have your lashes out, and it won't take you as long if you already have them out of the pack. And whatever you do, do not put them in your waterline. Put them on your lash. I just moved that one dry. I think I would only just use maybe just 4. I think we gonna see. See how I have to just keep pulling them out. So yeah, you guys, tip number 1 from just learning from me is just like I said, just basically have your individual lash, just have them already out. And take your time, you know. Now, it's a lot of people that put them on and it don't take them no time because they always do this. You know, there's something they always do. But take your time because you don't want to get this glue in your eye. Trust me. So I think that's why a lot of people use the hair glue because you know hair glue dry quick. So I think that's why a lot of people use them. So you can use, if you feel, if you just want to use 3, you can. Or you can put 2 more. It's basically up to you. It's no wrong way or a right way of how many you put. If you feel comfortable with 3, put 3. If you don't, you can put more. And practice make perfect. One day I'm going to be able to put them on fast like everybody else. But right now, I can't. I'm a rookie. So this 4. So you know what, you guys, it's not hard to do. It's like I said, the basically thing that will slow you down is basically trying to just pull, sit down and pull them. So that's what slow you down. And it's not hard to do, but it's taking me a while. But it's really not hard to do. And if you do use the hair glue, it will be quicker because it will dry faster. Let's see. I don't even know if anything in this. Uh-oh, I'm rubbing them out. Okay, so another mistake I see, I'm going to tell y'all to do. Put your liner on first. Do your liner first. We learning as we go. We doing this together. So put your liner on first. And keep, cleaning off your tweezers. So there's some tips I can give you. So because trying to put the liner on, I just knocked that one off. Right here, I knocked this one off. This one got too much mascara on it. Okay, we're gonna try another one. Yep, clean your tweezers. Cute. Okay, so since it's taking me so long, I'm going to do this side. I'm gonna come back after I do this side, and I'm going to tell you what I think about this. Okay, now I have this side on. They're very cute. But a few tips I can give you because basically I'm not a person that does it all the time, so I can tell you a few tips. Number one, put your eyeliner on first, I think. But what I was trying to do is like put the individual lashes on and go in between with the eyeliner. But that didn't work for me. For me, it was best to just if I would have just put this eyeliner on first. So because I basically was trying to go in between and put the liner on. So if I would put them on again, the bottom lash, I would put my mascara on. I will put my liner on. Then I would place my bottom lashes. But they are real cute. You can see them. They are precious. It would help bring a look out. Like I said, you can go longer. Next time, I think I may try the medium ones. But it turns out cute. And what I end up doing, the glue that came with the set, I didn't like that glue. It took too long to dry, so I end up in the next slot putting this glue, which is the eyelash glue. But I can see, I personally wouldn't use the hair glue, but I can see why a lot of people use hair glue because it's a quick dry, and of course, you know, it's going to stay. So basically, when you place them lashes on your eyes, it's going to immediately dry. But I just wouldn't do it because my eyes are very sensitive, and that hair glue is very strong. I mean, I smelled this glue, and I smelled the hair glue, and you can just you could just smell the difference. So my eyes are sensitive. So it's like right now you can kind of see that they turning red. So I wouldn't use the hair glue. But if your eyes are not sensitive, you know, and you're used to using it, well, then that'll work. So I end up putting 4 lashes on each eye. So this basically how it turned out. I have my bottom lashes on. And the lipstick I have on is from my line, and the name of it is Kiss Me. If you're interested in this lipstick, I will have the link below for you guys. So it is worth it, even though I started off struggling. The end results is super duper cute. I'm trying to come close so you can see it. Let me set my face. So in the end, it all came together.